Go to your browser and type Seva Sindhu. Once you get into the website, you have two language options, Kannada, English. Select accordingly. Once you browse down, you have three options. One is travel to Karnataka from other Indian states by road, rail or flight. Second is travel to other Indian states from Karnataka. And third is travel to Karnataka from other country. If you are traveling to Karnataka from other states, select one. The latest quarantine norms has been explained at the end of the video. Start filling out the details as mentioned. Name of the traveler, mobile number, gender, age and category of traveler. Next section is travel details like mode of travel, entry checkpoint, date of arrival in Karnataka. Entry checkpoint is only once you select by road, because entire 360 degree of Karnataka, whichever points you are coming in, it is all been mentioned here. You should select accordingly. After filling date of arrival, we need to fill the followings like present address, from which state, which place you are coming. Address 1, address 2, address 3 and the state. I have selected here Bihar and Aurangabad. Then taluk, postal pin code. Next process is to fill address to which you are traveling to, like in Karnataka where are you going to. Type all these three will come in: urban, rural and BBMP. I have selected BBMP. Then you don't have an option by state because it is Karnataka. Then once we select the zone, it has north, south, east, Mahadevpura, RR Nagar, Yelahanka. For example, I have selected east. In ward, I go select Halsur. The next step is if you are traveling with your family. If yes, you can select 1 to 10 people in the family and mention their personal details. I am showing some examples selecting 8 people. Last, you need to agree with the declaration by clicking I agree, followed by entering the characters for word verification and submit. Moving to second option, traveling from Karnataka to other states. Citizens traveling to other state from Karnataka do not require e-pass. That is very important. It depends on the other state. Start adding the same details like name of the traveler, mobile number, gender, age, Aadhaar and category of traveler, followed by profession name. Add your present details in Karnataka as asked in the portal. Next, moving to the address where you are traveling to in the other state. For example, I have selected here Chhattisgarh and Korba in that. Do not forget to mention you are traveling with your family and follow the same process said earlier. In other details, you need to insert your ID type and ID number. Fill in the quarantine details as per your symptoms. Click agree in declaration with word verification and submit. As said earlier, here are the quarantine norms given by the Government of Karnataka. Starting with the first point, self-registration is mandatory for all travellers in the Seva Sindhu portal before travelling. Please remember, there is no approval process. Only registration is mandatory. Business visitors need to mention the address of the person they will be meeting here, and transit traveller to provide address of destination state. Health screening will be done at the checkpoints. Home quarantine hand stamp for 14 days if entering Karnataka. Quarantine norms. If symptomatic, then 7 days of hospital isolation and 7 days of home quarantine is tested positive. If negative, no test required. If asymptomatic, travelling from only Maharashtra, that's 7 days institutional and 7 days home quarantine is compulsory again. Exception for special cases like pregnant women, children below 10 years and senior citizen above 60 years. Thanks to Government of Karnataka, before it was 80 years and above is senior citizens, now they are considering 60 years and above. If business traveller, he should show his confirmed return ticket and a COVID negative test certificate which is not older than 2 days. If needs, exemption from quarantine. Similar for other travellers from Maharashtra and other states. Can go for 14 days home quarantine. In case of transit traveller from other state, his or her onwards journey should not be more than a day later. If travelling by road, hand stamp as transit traveller. Home quarantine should be taken very seriously without moving out. Neighbours might be closely watching. If develops symptoms during home quarantine, please call Apta Mitra helpline at 14410.